I'm going to show you how to grab your very first affiliate marketing link from ClickBank so that you can start earning your online income today. ClickBank is a huge affiliate marketing network where anybody like you and me, anybody can make money online by becoming an affiliate, signing up with ClickBank, putting your affiliate marketing links in your marketing material on any platform that you're working on, like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, a blog, wherever you want, you can start earning and get your first paycheck today. Make bank with ClickBank. Hey, I'm Malin. I'm your online business mentor, and I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve. I'm providing this information to you for free. All I ask is that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on anything. The first thing we're going to do is sign up to ClickBank and complete your profile. The next thing is to review vendors and offers, and then grab your very first link so that you can start earning today. So the very first thing you need to do is sign up with ClickBank. The first thing we're going to do is sign you up. So you're going to be watching my very first sign up video right here. Click the sign up button. It's 100% free to join. All you do is that you now give your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number. Do remember the country code. Then your email and a long password. Make a note of your password because they're requiring long passwords with all kinds of characters. So make a note of that. Then scroll down to read the terms and conditions. Read them through thoroughly, and at the end, accept by hitting the button. Now you can join ClickBank. It's as easy as that. Keep watching. Very soon we're going to grab your very first affiliate marketing link from ClickBank. Stay tuned so that you can start earning your online income today. Let's complete your profile. Some optimization information. What do you want to do on ClickBank? Do you want to be an affiliate promoting other products, or do you want to sell your products? Make a choice and then also state approximately how much your yearly income is. Now we're going to create your accounts, because you can create several accounts within your profile on ClickBank. And you're going to create accounts with nicknames. And we're heading over to create an account. And then again, the account type, because you can have several different types of accounts. Maybe you want to have an account for health and fitness and another one for affiliate marketing, or whichever area that you're going to be promoting. I'm selecting the account type affiliate. The nickname Malin is taken. I'm adding a couple of more letters from my last name, and voila, Malin Lind, that's fine. I'm happy with that, and that's going to be the nickname of my very first account. So in this dashboard, you can see some of your statistics, and importantly, click on your account, taking you to another dashboard, which I do not like that much. But this yellow square here tells us that we need to confirm this sign up. So head over to your email and confirm your sign up. Then you're going back into ClickBank to complete your account settings. Let's scroll down and edit the payment information. Here you can select which payment threshold you want, and since I'm a complete beginner just like you, when I'm filming this video, I'm gonna go for a low threshold so that I can get paid often. Direct deposit and bi-weekly preferably. Select your country and then give the information about your banking details. Once that is done, save changes. The yellow box again is telling us in order for this to work, you have to approve it. So once again, head over to your email to verify your account settings. And once that is done, we're good to go on. So here we can see that nothing has happened so far on this account, Malin Lind. There's nothing there. So let's head over to the marketplace and start finding products, offers, and vendors that you want to promote. And there are lots of categories to the left. Any kind of field that you want to work on. Are you in e-business and e-marketing? Do you want to do affiliate marketing promotional stuff? Do you want to get into games, health and fitness? We're gonna select diet and weight loss right here. There's some important data that I want to show you here. that you should look for when you are reviewing vendors and offers. I want to sort it by average dollar per conversion. But there are a couple of other important aspects as well. So this shows us some French alternative, and I think I'll just, I want to go for English. And also I'd like to see the recurring opportunities. That is such a smart way of working, because if someone signs up with an offer and there's a recurring payment, you get paid every month for as long as this person is on that agreement. I'm not very happy with what I'm seeing here, so I'm actually gonna sort on gravity instead. And gravity means how successful is this offer on the market. It's a high number. It means there are a lot of affiliates that successfully are selling this offer. So the lower the gravity number, the less competition, but on the other hand, maybe the less likely you are to succeed. Looking through a couple of the offers here, I kind of like this one with dieting with smoothies. And really, if you're going to promote something, you should try it yourself first. I think that honesty would be good on the internet, don't you think? That we're actually promoting stuff that we know something about and that we honestly like. Before we head all over into looking at the vendor and their affiliate tools, I want to show you how to create a favorite. Just click Add to Favorites, scroll up, and you'll find the favorites link to your left, and there it is. And you can remove it anytime you want from your favorite list. Next thing is to look at the vendor affiliate offering. You're getting 75% commissions. You can earn over $100 per sale. This looks good. I like the page. You can grab affiliate tools right here at the link. I think this is well prepared. And it also states, where does this promotion work? It works on Instagram, on Facebook, email follow-ups, blog articles, maybe even on YouTube. Yeah, sure does. And it also shows us a little bit about demographic data. I like that. So who is most likely to buy on this offer? And if this matches your target audience, whoa, then it's a wrap. So this is a very helpful page, really, because this is all about generating links, you know, links that have your ID on them, so that when your customers are clicking on the links, you're getting a commission when they buy. So there are some nice videos to grab, an intro teaser, you can download that, email swipes, banners, etc. This is awesome. If you log back into ClickBank, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna have your dashboard again. You can extend it by clicking in the top left corner, and you can see the statistics. And since we're both all new to this, there is nothing here. Access the marketplace from this link, so it's better that you click from your account nickname to get into the marketplace. And then it looks like this again. Click favorites and they're right there. Keep watching. Very soon we're gonna grab your very first affiliate marketing link from ClickBank. Stay tuned so that you can start earning your online income today. So now we're gonna grab your very first ClickBank link so that you can promote this offer. And if you want a tracking ID, you can put that, it's optional. Press the button and it's been copied. All you need to do now is paste your URL into your promotional materials and you're gonna start earning today.